Hello and welcome back, health seekers. Want to shrink your belly fat? Learn the secrets to achieving a flatter stomach and saying goodbye to unwanted fat. In this video, we'll reveal the most effective tips and tricks to help you lose belly fat quickly and naturally. From diet and exercise to lifestyle changes, we've got you covered. Before we shrink into the details, take a moment and zoom out, click the like button and subscribe to the Better Health community. As a member, you'll get weekly videos on health tips, workout routines, superfoods and more delivered right to your phone or desktop. Thank you. Now, back to the video. Get ready to transform your body and feel more confident than ever before. So, what are you waiting for? Watch until the end to discover how to shrink your belly fat fast and start your weight loss journey today. Many people struggle with stubborn belly fat due to factors like diet, lack of exercise, and stress, which we need to address directly. Belly fat isn't just a cosmetic issue, it can also lead to serious health problems, such as diabetes and heart disease. A combination of poor eating habits and a sedentary lifestyle can make it difficult to lose belly fat. Understanding the causes can help you tackle the problem more effectively. We'll explore various tips, including dietary changes, workout routines, and lifestyle adjustments that can help you achieve your goals. Eating foods high in fiber like fruits, vegetables, and whole grains can help reduce belly fat. Incorporating exercises that target your core, such as crunches and planks, can also make a big difference. Additionally, managing stress through meditation or yoga can contribute to a flatter belly. Making these small changes can add up over time. The key insight is discovering the most effective combination of these methods that can lead to rapid results, supporting your journey to a flatter belly. It's essential to set realistic goals and track your progress to stay motivated. Drinking plenty of water and getting enough sleep are also crucial for weight loss. By combining these strategies, you can achieve your goals and improve your overall health. Consistency and patience are vital to seeing results. Consult with your medical doctor before starting any diet or workout routine, especially if you have pre-existing medical conditions. Give yourself time to achieve your goals. Start with a simple change and increase your lifestyle changes as you grow in your health journey. Thanks for watching until the end. Don't forget to check out our other videos on weight loss and let us know in the comments what strategies you plan to try. See you next time.